Well, hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. About to dive into an absolute bodyworking extravaganza. I got a lot of parts that I worked on, reworked, did a lot of welding. I have to pressure test. I've got a primer and some paint and stripes and all sorts of stuff. So let's get into it. Up and done, I got everything sealed off so I can pressure test it, make sure she's good. I'm gonna soak the inside with muriatic acid for about half an hour just to make sure that she's good to go. And then we'll get started on some paint work. I'm using a cylinder leak down tester for pressure testing my oil tank. Well, she's holding 15 psi. It doesn't appear to be leaking at all. That's amazing. Yeah, we got a little leak right there. All right, just one little leak. Huh. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. All right, let's check her for leaks again. See how we did. All right. She looks leakless. All right, let's get her prepped. All right, on to the tank. I went ahead and filled the tank full of water for leak testing and only found one little leak up front and got that welded up. This is fiberglass-infused filler, and it's really good for fills like this. Well, after a whole lot more sanding and a little more filler here and there, she's ready for primer. got them all done. The wind just decided to pick up right after my first coat, so I got a lot of dirt I'm gonna have to deal with. Lots of dirt. But that's one of the reasons why I hate doing matte jobs, because if you paint it some kind of satin or matte, then you don't get to do any paint correction at all. It's got to be perfect coming out of the gun. But that looks pretty good. She laid down pretty good. I used a little higher air pressure this time, and I put a little more thinner in it. So pretty happy with the way it laid down. I'm just not too happy with the dirt, but what are you gonna do? Anyway, that wraps this up. I still have some stripes to paint, so I'm gonna go ahead and do those. I don't know if I'll video it or not, but it's kind of an interesting process. Lots of taping and measuring and standing back and looking at it and making sure it's right, but we'll get her done. So that concludes this painting exposition. And it's time to, my cams will be here on Saturday along with my lifters and my head screws and a few other things. So I'm really excited about getting that motor together, because it just feels like a giant boat anchor right now. So we'll get her done. But anyway, thanks y'all for watching. Appreciate it very much. Catch you on the next one. You know, I keep looking over there instead of at the camera, which is right there. I don't know why I look at, because I'm looking at myself in the eyes now. But now I'm looking at you. Okay. Anyway, y'all take care.